Hey buddies, how are you? So in previous video we have completed P&L appropriation first question, and in this video we are going to complete second question of P&L appropriation and we'll wind up the P&L appropriation. Next we'll go for the SR and GR, right? So if you like the video, please subscribe and share to your friend so that he can also get good marks in accounts paper. So let us read the question first. So it is also similar one, so nothing special. So X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2, right? And their capital is 1,80,000, and we have profit of 15,000 and interest on capital 10% and interest on drawings 1,800, and we should pay commission for X 2,000 and salary for Y 3,000. Prepare P&L appropriation. So we'll prepare it in just 2 to 3 minutes, right? The first thing what we will do in the P&L appropriation, first thing we will see where is the profit, right? So earned profit 15,000 rupees. I'll attach the question in description. I'll give a link to the question, right? So it is 15,000 by profit. It is 15,000. Next, what we will see from the start, we will see X and Y 3:2. We'll do it later. Capital, okay. So interest on capital is there. The first one, interest on capital, where it will come. So is it an expense for the firm? Firm is paying to partner, so cash is going out of the firm, which means where will it appear? It will appear in the debit side of your P&L appropriation. So interest on capital, you'll write it in full. 10% it is for X, Y. So what is the capital? 1 lakh, and for Y it is 80,000, and interest on capital is 10%, and into 10% it is 10,000 for X, and for Y it is 8,000, right? Totally it became 18,000 interest on capital. So are you able to see that? Next, what we will see, next we have the information of drawings. It is 1,800. So interest on drawings, which means partner withdraw some amounts, for that he will pay interest to the firm. So cash is coming into the firm, which means the firm is earning a income. So where we will write, just we will credit that. So how much? 1,800. So by interest on drawings, how much it is? For X it is 1,000, for Y it is 800, 1,800. Next, what is given? So commission payable to X. So firm is paying a commission to Mr. X. So cash is going out of the firm, which means this side. To what it is? Commission. To whom? To Mr. X. How much it is? 2,000. And next we have salary payable to Mr. Y. It is 3,000 per annum. If it is given as per month, what you will do? Just if it is given 3,000, if it is given per month, you will multiply with 12, but as of now we have only 3000 per annum. Oh, just wait. Yeah, 3000 per annum, which means the firm is paying to Mr. Y, right? So Mr. Y means cash is going out of the firm, where we will write in the debit side of P&L appropriation. Salary to Y, how much? 3000 per annum. Next, there's nothing completed, huh? So capital is sold, profit is sold, interest on capital, commission, interest on drawings, salary. That's it. That's it. Finish. So totally 16,800, and we have this side 18,000, 2,000 and 3,000, 23,000. That side 15 profit and interest on drawings. That's it, right? 16. This side is more, 23,000 is there. So this will be our total, not 16,800. This time we got loss 23,000, and right, 23,000 commission 2,000. Yeah, that's perfect. 23,000 minus 16,800. 16,800 loss is 6,200. So now we should share the loss among the partners. Let me keep it. So transfer to partners capital account. So how much will transfer for Mr. X and Y? It is, the loss is 6,200. 6,200 into, what is the share of profit and loss? It is 3:2, which means for X it is 3 divided by 5. 5 from where it came? 3 plus 2. Right, 2 divided by 5. How much it is? 6,200 divided by, into 3 divided by 5. It is 3,000. I'll write it here. 3,720 we got, and for him it is Y. For Y it is 2,480. So in this question we got loss for the P&L appropriation. We distributed and खेल खत्म, नाटक बंद हो गया. So if you like the video, please share to your friends and subscribe. One more thing, press the bell icon, okay, so that you can get the notification of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Note it down.